As the first light of dawn breaks over the wilderness, a silent hunter stirs. Sleek, cunning, and ever watchful, this is the life of a fox. Meet our fox, a young vixen, navigating a world full of challenges and opportunities. Over the next 10 minutes, we'll follow her journey through hunting, survival, and the secrets of her species. Foxes are masters of adaptation. From dense forests to city outskirts, they thrive almost anywhere. Our vixen lives on the edge of woodland and farmland, a perfect mix of shelter and food. With incredible hearing, she can detect a mouse scurrying underground. And when she pounces, lightning fast like a cat, her success depends on precision. Her diet is varied: rodents, birds, insects, even fruit. This flexibility keeps her alive through changing seasons. But life isn't easy. Farmers see her as a threat, and rival foxes defend their territories fiercely. She avoids unnecessary fights. Wounds could mean starvation or infection. Instead, she relies on stealth, marking her territory with scent and moving under the cover of dusk. Humans are her greatest danger: cars, traps, and habitat loss. Yet she persists, using intelligence and adaptability. In spring, her life changes. After a 2-month pregnancy, she gives birth to 4 tiny cubs. For weeks, they depend on her milk, then learn to hunt by pouncing on leaves and bugs. By autumn, the cubs will leave to find their own territories. Only a few will survive their first winter, nature's harsh way of balancing the wild. As the sun sets, our fox vanishes into the twilight, a ghost of the wild, forever walking the line between wilderness and human world. Her story is one of resilience, instinct, and the untamed spirit of the wild. And as long as there are wild spaces left, the fox will always find a way.